Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to get cursor below picture in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, go to a blank page. Then insert some picture. Go to the tools section and select the place tool. And choose picture from our file. Now I am select multiple picture. Press Ctrl on our keyboard and click open. Then wait some moment to load the image. Then place one by one. Firstly insert a picture, then insert another picture over the first picture. Now we can see we insert two picture, but the last or the first picture is not showing. Now we want to make cursor below this picture. Go to the window menu and enable the layer section. We can see here already enable this. Then we can see here the first picture layer. Now we want to get cursor the second picture. We can see select this layer and show the picture. You can move or resize very easily. Otherwise you can make in font. Now we can see we get cursor below picture very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.